Hello guys, today we are talking about the Karorpati Yog for the zodiac signs. Millionaire Yog, that means time to earn in millions. Non-stop wealth, we are also talking about non-stop wealth for 12 zodiac signs Aries to Pisces. Please subscribe, like and share our channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates about our upcoming videos. First of all, we are going to talk about Aries, the business tycoon. This zodiac sign is going to earn in millions in coming future because they are very intelligent in this manner because they can what you say they have the ability to take perfect decisions about the scenario. They can work hard in their field of interest. They are able to earn millions in a small time of frame, and they work very hard, and Aries are very famous for this. They have the ability to earn in millions from the age of 30 to 50 years. The duration is from 30 to 50 years. They are going to earn big amount of money and going to be the millionaire in coming future. If they run a shop, they will be very good at it, and if they are doing some digital marketing work, they will also do some they will earn good amount of money from it. Even in tours and travels, if they are doing some hoteling business or restaurant or tours and travel business, they are going to earn a big amount of money from it also. They know how to invest, where to invest, when to invest, and that's the quality. They can earn big amount of money and going to be the millionaire in coming future. Equally, they are good in career also. In their job, in their career, they can earn big amount of money from it also. If it's a commission based job, then they can earn also a big amount of money from it, and they are also the kings of career also. Now, talking about Taurians have the ability to have a good communication skill, and this communication skills make them able to earn in millions in coming future. They have the magnetic attraction. They can have more and more clients and earn big amount of money from them. Even they are good in job, they are good in business, and they are also earning in millions in coming future because they know how to earn, when to invest, how to invest, and what to invest. They know very well, and that's the reason they can earn in millions in coming future. Even if they are actors, directors, singers, because in this field of interest, they can talk, they can use their communication skills like entrepreneurs and managerial posts in counseling, in what you say in digital marketing, as a salesman, saleswoman, in these all these jobs, even in as an advocate, as a judge. They speak a lot, and that's the way they earn money. So they can earn big amount of money from their communication skills and are going to be the millionaire of coming future. Now, talking about Geminis, they are very educated, well mannered person. Even if they are male, female, they can work a lot. They are very hard working. Geminis are very hard working, and this way they can earn in millions. Even in their career, in their business, they can do a lot of things to make millions, and they have a skill to make this thing. It means they can understand what to do now, and their decision making, the power of decision making is very powerful. That's why they can make decisions to about their career, about their job, or about their business, so they can flourish their business and they can earn millions from it. Even they are highly educated. If not even educated, they are very intelligent. Their cognitive thinking are very best. That's why they can decide, they can clearly see the future, what's going on, what they have to do, and what will be the best thing to do in this type of situations. The main thing about Gemini is they are the power bank. They are the power bank of knowledge. Each and every aspect of life, they know about each and every aspect of life. They love to learn more and more things about the world, about their circumstance, about each and everything. They want to learn more and more things. Now, talking about Cancerians are multi-talented and they are very brave, and especially their cognitive thinking, their intelligence is at the top. They can decide what to do, how to do, when to do, and even in they are good in business, and they are good in their career also, and they can earn millions in coming future. They work very hard and they never afraid of doing new things. They experiment a lot, but they have to take risk in their business, so to make it flourish more and more as possible. They knows many ways how to earn money and which way will they can earn fastest money, and that's the way they can earn in millions in coming future. They are the fastest money makers. Now, talking about the lions, the Leos are very brave and they know how to become millionaire in coming future because they work very hard. But the drawback in their life is that they always want a big post. They always want a big position from which they can earn in big amount of money. That is not correct. They should step from the first step and then go to the second and to go to the third. If they jump for the fifth and they jump for the 10th, that will be very harmful for them. They should understand this and never expect a big from other companies. If they just go into a company and they their desire is to go to the highest post in a few months, that is not correct. They work hard, they are very good in business. They are not good in career, they are not even so good in career, but they are good in business. They can make millions in a little amount of time because they love to work, they love to experiment, they love to take risk in their business. That's why they can flourish in their business, and they are going to earn millions in coming future from their business also. The good thing about the Leo is they are very confident. Their confidence level, their willpower is at the highest, and their creativity and their innovations are at the top. So they can earn big amount of money because they have the passion to earn more and more money in a short time frame. That's why they can do some plannings for it, and even they make plannings and they execute at the same time. That's the good thing about Leos, and that's why they are going to be the future millionaire in coming future. And the one more thing about Leo is they are good in managemental skill and their management is very good. That's why they are always flourish in their business and they are made for business. If they do business, they are going to be the millionaire in coming future. Now talking about Virgo are the luckiest, the super luckiest zodiac sign among all. Why? Because their destiny is always with them. Even if they start a new job or even they are going to start a new business or do something else, they will always be successful in their aims. That's why Virgos are always at the top, and they can, if they work hard, if they achieve their targets and their goals, then they are going to be the fastest millionaire in the coming future. This zodiac sign is two in one. That's mean good in business and good in their career also. They can earn millions from their career and from their business also. They are very good in managemental skill, and that's why they can earn big amount of money in short amount of time. Even if they make any sort of decision about going abroad or going to start a new business or do some new career options, then they will always be successful because destiny is always with them. That's the good thing about Virgos. Now talking about Libras are good at making decisions. They are good in giving advice, but they never imply these things over them. They are in from the beginning. They are a little bit of lazy, or what you say. They love to be in comfort zone. They should come out of that comfort zone and work hard. If they work hard, they will get their future in early stages. Otherwise, they will be stable or they will be earning in millions from the age of 30 to 50 years. That's the possibility. But they are very good in business, they are very good in their career. They can make good decisions and best decisions, and they know what to do, how to do, when to do. That's why they always earn in millions in a fastest amount of time. But they are a little bit late due to their decisions and their they make plans but they never execute that, and they are a little bit they make delays in their execution. That's why their plans work, but they start working at the late hours, and that's why they are a little bit late in their life to earn in millions. But 30 years of age is good, and after that they can earn in millions. But if Libras are engaged, if they are going through marriage, they are going to be a good money makers. This is the fact that whenever they are going through the process of marriage, and if they are engaged, they can earn in millions at the early ages also. Now talking about scorpions, scorpions are very fastest money makers. They can earn from the early childhood. They know how to make money, when to and how to make money. That's the reason they know the solution of each and every problem. They are not panic. They never panic in worst situations. They just think about the they think about the solutions. That's the way scorpions are always out of miseries and problems very soon, and they can work hard. They can earn in millions in coming future, and they are the fastest money makers both in job, in their career, in their business. And they are good advisors also. They are good money makers also, and they know how to do, when to do. That's the way they can enjoy their life, and their passion is to make more and more money as soon as possible. That's why they are always successful in their life. The main thing in them is their intuitional power. They have a big amount of intuitional power in them. They can scan people like book. They know which person is good and which person is bad, which have the bad intuitions, bad for their company, bad for their job. Even they know which friend is good for them and which friend will dish them. That's why they are always successful in their life, and their intuitional power are out of the way, and they can think out of the box, and they are very good, very intelligent, very what do you say, you they are the power bank of knowledge. And that's why they learn new things in life, and they are every time they are successful in life. And it's very easy to earn in millions in the shortest amount of time for scorpions. They are the kings of creativity and innovations. That's why they are always succeeded in their career and in their businesses also. Even if they are doing some online business or some real estate business, they are also going to flourish in any field of life. They are the trend setters. Now talking about Sagittarius, they are also the power bank. They can learn more and more things about. Even they love to have a deep knowledge about things. Even if they are going to have an opportunity to do a managerial post, if they will first learn about the managerial skills, and then they will work. So they are good in making their skills more polished in a little amount of time, and they are also good fastest millionaire in coming future. Even they are good in their career, and they are good in their business. And if they are in both of them, even if they do some job or if they do some business, they will be always successful. They know when to invest, how to invest, where to invest, and what should be their strategy. And that's why they are always successful in their life. Now talking about Capricornians, they are the super intelligent and super decision makers, and they have the ability to earn in millions in the shortest amount of time. They know when to do, how to do, where to do, or when to invest, how to invest, and where to invest. That's why they are always successful in their life, and they will always come out of misery in a little amount of time, and they are going to be successful in their life due to their decision making. The power of decision making always helps them, and the main thing is that destiny is always with them. That's why they can make big decisions in life also. As they are doing struggle from the early childhood, that's why they know how to struggle and what things they can do and successful in life. That makes a clear picture for them. They know what to do, when to do, and how to do. That's why they are always successful in their life and going to be the fastest millionaire in coming future. Now talking about Aquarius, destiny is always with them. In if they are doing some job, or if they are doing some business or online work, they are going to be successful in their life, and they are going to be the fastest money makers in future and earn millions in a little amount of time. And their cognitive thinking is very great, and their confidence level is big, and their willpower is always big. That's why they do a little amount of work, or a little efforts can make a good result for them. Even they are successful in their career, and they are successful in their business also, and earn millions of dollars from it. They are also good in a real estate business or any business related to spare parts, or even if they are in medical field or any marriage sort of work, even wedding planner or movie maker. They are very successful in each and every field because they are very hard working. They never say no to anybody, and they always have solutions of their problems, and that makes a clear picture, and they are always successful in their life. They are very hardworking and they are the trend setters. People are following their steps, and they earn big amount of money in little amount of time. That's the great thing about them. Now, talking about Pisceans, Pisceans are the power bank of knowledge. Each and every time when you see them, they are learning something from YouTube, from National Geographic, or from other sources of media. That's why they are the power bank, and they know how to do things in their life. They know how to come out of miseries, how to come out of problem. They have the solutions, but some sort of laziness or love to be in a comfort zone makes them a little bit late in their life to have success. But they can earn in millions. They have the ability to earn in millions from their job, from their career, from their business also. Two more thing is that their intuitive powers are out of the way. Just like scorpions, their intuitive powers are very big. They can scan people like a machine, and they can scan them. They know which person have good intentions and which person have bad intention, which one is good for them, which one is bad for them. That's why they are always successful in their life, but a little bit late, because they come out of their comfort zone a little bit late. That's why if they come out of their comfort zone and work very hard, if they make some consistency in their work. The thing which is absent from their life is consistency. If consistency is there, Pisces will always be successful in life, and they have the ability to earn in millions in a little amount of time, and they are going to be the fastest money makers from career, from their business, from online, or from any aspect of life. So I hope you like our videos. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Allah Hafiz.